Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and contact customer care at their Amazon app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, go ahead, open your Amazon app in your mobile phone. Once the app is open, it's basically gonna look like this in the home page of your app right there. And then what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on below right corner. If you tap on it, it will show you this kind of interface which shows the customer service above here in third option. Tap on that particular option, and now this will show you all of the problems that can occur or customer service can help you with. If you resonate with any of this, go ahead, tap on that. If you're not, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on this something else, which includes I need more help. And if you do that, you will be able to find this, which would you prefer chat with us now. You can start chatting now in the virtual agent of Amazon, where you can ask a question, the problem that you need help with. And if you want to call directly, tap on this request call now. This will give you the number. You can go ahead and enter the best number to reach you, enter the number that they can reach you with. Once you enter the number, tap on this call me now option, and they will get notified. They will call you for this service to provide you, to help you with the problem that is occurring here in your Amazon. So yes guys, these are the two options for you to contact the customer care of Amazon. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video.